In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check acquisition in Google Analytics 4. Acquisition tells you where your users are coming from and which channels are bringing in the most value. So mastering these views helps you prioritize your marketing efforts with confidence. Start by heading to analytics.google.com. Once it loads, make sure you're in the correct account and property for the website or app you want to analyze. A quick glance at the top of the interface can confirm you're looking at the right place before you dig into the numbers. Next, click on Reports in the left-hand navigation. This opens the main reporting workspace where most of your day-to-day analysis happens. At the top right, you'll see the date selector. Choose a time frame that matches your goals, like the last 28 days for trend insight or a custom range to align with a campaign period. Now click on Acquisition. This section is dedicated to understanding how people first find you and how sessions are initiated. It's the hub for channel, source, and campaign performance. Within acquisition, you can open user acquisition and traffic acquisition. User acquisition focuses on how you gain new users based on the first touch point, which is great for evaluating awareness channels. Traffic acquisition looks at sessions by their starting point, which is useful for understanding ongoing traffic drivers and return visits. In some setups, you might also see a lead acquisition view. If it's available, it's typically aligned to leads or conversions you've defined and can help assess which channels are most effective at generating prospects. You may also encounter breakdowns that separate non-Google campaigns from other traffic, letting you evaluate partner, social, email, or affiliate performance on their own. In addition, some properties provide a user acquisition cohorts perspective, grouping users by when they first arrived. That view helps you assess whether users acquired in a given week or month continue to engage, convert, or generate revenue over time, offering a retention lens on your acquisition work. You can also click on Overview within Acquisition. The overview gives you a high-level snapshot with charts and cards that highlight top channels, new users, sessions, engagement, and conversions. It's a quick way to spot trends, anomalies, or standout channels before drilling into the detailed tables. As you review these reports, pay attention to dimensions like default channel group, source medium, and campaign, and to columns such as new users, sessions, engagement rate, conversions, and total revenue. Sorting columns, comparing time periods, and scanning trends will help you turn acquisition data into clear, actionable decisions.